नमस्कार, सजग मराठी या न्यूज चॅनल मध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे.
So now this government has been introducing and going to pass this constitution amendment bill. हम समर्थन करते हैं. सिर्फ समर्थन ही नहीं, ये समर्थन के साथ साथ कुछ मांग भी है हमारा. ये मांग ये है कि इंदिरा साहनी केस के उपरांत सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो 50% सीलिंग रख दिया है, ये 50% सीलिंग को हटाकर प्रदेशों की बात सुनकर कुछ किया जाए. प्रदेश चाहते हैं, बहुत सारे प्रदेशों में ऐसा है जहां सीलिंग के ऊपर भी रिजर्वेशन है, जैसे कि तमिलनाडु 69% है. मानता हूं कि तमिलनाडु की 69% ये जो रिजर्वेशन, ये 9 शेड्यूल में इसको रखा गया, ठीक है. लेकिन है तो तमिलनाडु आज से नहीं, तमिलनाडु की ये सोशल मूवमेंट, ये कास्ट मूवमेंट बहुत पुराने हैं. 1831 साल में तमिलनाडु में ये शुरू हुई थी रिजर्वेशन की प्रक्रिया. तो ये आज की बात नहीं, रिजर्वेशन की प्रक्रिया आज की बात नहीं, ये सदियों से हमारे देश में ये चलते हैं. सदियों से हमारे देश में ये चलते हैं. तो मांग हमारा ये है कि जो 50% सीलिंग, ये सीलिंग हटाकर आपने हमारे प्रदेशों की जो मांग है, जैसे कि महाराष्ट्र से लेकर बहुत सारे प्रदेशों की जो मांग है, इस मांग पे आपने थोड़ा गौर करें. क्योंकि बहुत सारे ऐसा प्रदेशों है हिंदुस्तान में जहां ऐसा ही चलता है, 50% के बाहर 50% के ऊपर ये रिजर्वेशन जारी है. लेकिन हो सकता कि कानूनन तरीके पे ये नहीं है, तो आप कानूनन तरीके पे जहां तक है ये, तो ये कानूनन तरीके में इसको आप प्रदेशों के हाथ में सौंपे. यही हमारा मांग है. सर, मैंने मराठा भाइयों के लिए पहले बात रखा था. हमारे मराठा भाइयों की ये रिजर्वेशन 50 जो परसेंटेज है सीलिंग, इससे एक्सीड करने के लिए गुहार लगाते हैं. आपको भी, आपकी सरकार को भी उन्होंने काफी बार इस विषय को लेकर चर्चा की है. तो इस विषय पे हमें 2-4 बात कहना चाहते हैं कि इन 1997 फर्स्ट मेजर मराठा एजिटेशन फॉर रिजर्वेशन इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स एंड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन was organized by the Maratha Mahasangh and the Maratha Seva Sangh. The agitators said that Marathas were not upper caste people, but essentially Kunbis, members of agrarian communities who are under distress. In 2008 and 9, former Chief Ministers Sharad Pawar ji, Bilas Rao Deshmukh lent support to the demand. In 2019 to 14, political parties, organizations came out in support of the demand for reservation of the Marathas. 25 June 2014, the Nationalist Congress Party Democratic Front government, then headed by Prithviraj Chauhan, approves a proposal to reserve 16% of government jobs and seats in educational institutions for Marathas and 5% for Muslims. November 14, 2014, Bombay High Court stays the decision of the previous Democratic Front government to provide 16% reservation to Marathas in government jobs and educational institutions. November 15, 2014, Bharatiya Janata Party Shiv Sena government decide to move to the Supreme Court. December 18, 2014, Supreme Court refuses to vacate the Bombay High Court's interim order staying reservation for Maratha community in public employment in Maharashtra. June 2017, Maharashtra government constitutes State Backward Class Commission to study the social, financial, and educational status of Maratha community. August 9, 2017, massive Maratha Morcha held in Mumbai. July 2018, Maratha reservation issue rocks the monsoon session of Maharashtra legislature in Nagpur. November 15, 2018, Commission submits a report to the Maratha government. November 30, 2018, Maharashtra legislature passes the bill proposing 16% reservation in education and government jobs for Maratha community. Sir, ये सारे मुद्दे इसलिए मैं उठा रहा हूं कि महाराष्ट्र में इस विषय को लेकर काफी हलचल मच चुके हैं. So Maratha community were a significant political, social and commercial influence in the state. But the fact is, only a minuscule minority of Marathas is politically influential. In Maharashtra, 80% of Marathas are still surviving on subsistence agriculture. More than 80% of them are confronted with severe livelihood concerns born out of their dependence on subsistence farming. Over the years, the agrarian crisis has led to wide gaps among them, leading to a decline in financial stability among lower middle class and middle class. It led to the demand for reservation in jobs and education. Lack of access to quality education and job opportunities and misuse of the Atrocity Acts are another issue faced by the community. Even the Gaikwad Commission report clearly stated that in 2017, an 11-member commission headed by retired Justice N.G. Gaikwad recommended Marathas should be given reservation under socially and educationally backward class. In their 1035-page report submitted to the government in November 2018, look into the consideration of various parameters to recommend registration. Gaikwad Commission appointed that the community had lost its self-esteem due to social, economic and educational backwardness, which could be remedied by giving them reservation under the socially and economically backward classes category. So, Gaikwad Commission reports, I think everything is at your disposal. Social backwardness की report आप जानते हैं. 76.86% of Maratha families were engaged in agriculture and farm labor. Around 71% owned less than 2.5 acres. Around 15% lived in mud houses. Only 35.39 had personal tap water connection. So these are the issues. Because you may refer that Indira Sahni case, Supreme Court has fixed the limit of the reservation. Yes, there is a limit of the ceiling. But also in the Indira Sahni judgment 1992, Supreme Court had categorically said that 50% shall be the rule, and this rule can only be relaxed in certain exceptional and extraordinary situations for bringing far-flung and remote areas population into mainstream. Maratha aspirations are heard. Urgent measure must be taken to rekindle the hopes of the community. However, this can be strengthened in various areas. This proposed legislation enables every state to maintain their own state list, which is essentially good step, but it does not have any safeguards against any abuse of the same provision. So these are the main issues. We are supporting the OBC reservation policy because state governments need to be conferred upon their own rights and privileges to identify the classes belonging to the OBC. Second thing, I would also request that the government should ponder over the sentiment of the Maratha people insofar as limit of the ceiling is concerned. They may exceed the limit of the reservation without compromising the interest and security of other backward classes in Maharashtra. No. Other backward classes also should be given the same privileges and also continue the privileges they are enjoying now. But in addition to it, as you have, before the election was announced, the government has brought in a hurry the 10% quota for economically backward, economically weaker sections of our country. In the same fashion, you may export the ways to please all the communities and also provide the security, political, financial, social security to all the backward classes of our country. With this word, we are supporting the legislation. Thank you.